Hey everyone! For this video, I'll show you how to use the teenager look effect on TikTok. With this tutorial, you will be able to follow this new trend and try it out yourself. The first step is opening TikTok. You will be taken to the For You page. The For You page is where recommended TikTok videos are shown to you. Let's go to the search bar at the top right corner of the screen. Now, search for what we're looking for, which is the teenage look effect or filter. So just search for that, and now that we've found it, just tap on it and then tap on use this effect. Then you can make your video and post it. It's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.